have to represent it for a thing called SWAT team. They don't know, even know Dr. Love. They don't know it's a pretty girl child. They don't know fret them. You understand? Boom! Even know one chance. You only need one. Giving that opportunity. And you will see with big planting. So right now we need money in a bank book and so they can on foot around and fly pump and scooting. Boom! Acting yourself.
You're not going to do no dirty work on yourself. So if I want to set Batman from blood clot Joe, run up back on a blood clot all in. When you run up in a back on a blood clot ancestors big dirty pussy. Joncrow. I want to say people for come on Joe, and that me a blood clot ask the question tonight. I'm say if anyone I want to hear so cause this a problem here, me I go deal with you with judgment. Joncrow. Talk no, where you gone?
Let me look if they're still there. Yeah, them there. Listen, go and talk. Them there.
Una blood clot try me, you know. No run up a can on a blood clot ancestors and go no. I be a problem una make from last week, you know.
Hey Annie. Post stop calling me name Joncrow. What man, you can't be sure now stop. We're gonna watch you. Stop. I'm a blood clot. Yeah, laugh off for you.
From last week, you know, miss him. Yeah, that's why she over blood clot. That's how call me name regular. Eh? Una in our inbox with my name. Una in our inbox of pretend say I'm me. That's why she say, me nah cost brush. Come here, wonder how the blood clot woman nah cost me, you know. And me I wonder how she the pants she nah cost me 1 and a million blood clot time, you know. So you're over there. You're from yes to over blood clot. There's an feed her with the information pussy wall. For you come on the page, me sit down and me see you. I'm telling you something, you know. Can you see her up on a fake page there?
Well, let pin that so we can read it.
You hear her? So you itch up over your so bumble wall. So you itch up over your so.
People be very careful. Be very careful. Tanya, don't trust her.
When you come kiss up me and Tanya batty wall. Whosoever under the page then. So be the blood clot case. Come nyam the shit out of me and Tanya batty wall. And when you're done, go nyam your rotten ancestors Joncrow.
Fake page, I'm coming a down name, I cause problem. You know, me see when the page log on, I'm gonna say hi. Usually me say hi, Dan, but me just wait.
Me see that me see them yourself watch the page, Kandy. Come see that log on and me say me not type nothing. You know like me up on the blood clot live and me say me not type nothing. Me just watch. And you see for the big pussy blood clot girl when me call out the other day I make blood clot fake page I do this. Hey, me go run on the blood clot ancestors in a wicked blood clot. Hey. I want spitting on the face. I don't know you. Why am I why you have to come and look for me? I want spitting on the face.
Yeah, that may I say, Paulette. They can just make up any name and come and chat whatever they might chat. Like, me not get the point of using people's name. Like, me not block nobody over here. So. We don't make up no name, man. Yes. Only so big and careless. Like, I love fuckery. Just come with the regular fake page, man.
Yeah, so you're over there. See what she right? The ape is going to expose you when she don't need you anymore. So you're over there. That means so you build a page like my page and could have over there in the box.
Yes,
well, anybody here where they are saying when you hear the woman I call, tell the woman me say no call me name, come in.
God.
Tell the woman to me and a blood clot friend. So now try set me up.
Let me keep my circle on IG small. Doesn't matter who I talk to. My people know who they are. And we don't chat people. We chat people. We do live. They fuck with them. We laugh. That's it. We now did they chat nobody personally because me not give a fuck about nobody. I don't know nobody on this live in real life. So I'm not that interested in people like that.
Well, when you come kiss out the shit out of my body, well, I wanna go now. When you go and don't blood clot test me. When you fail again, and if you over there and build a fake page with my name in the woman inbox, she would do drop it out. And when she do drop it out, me gonna know say you pussy whole body blood clot, girl, or body blood clot, boy. Where you drop out of your blood. Yeah, wait for Love Sanders drop out where she drop out. Cause me, not chat to that the woman there from blood clot the night with she and Diary. Never. Joncrow. But kupa Unnu. No go on and allow me a bill now come build contention over here so. Kandy you not black a Joncrow ya?
Which Joncrow?
The same 2020 Joncrow ya. The same Crowbate.
Tanya, I'm going to send you the live when she says she feed ape with information.
Alright, that's up on my blood clot live me there. I'm a talking pussy hole so you itch up. Yeah. Right, yes, sir. Pussy hole. And me a talk about back in the days. Pussy hole. Yeah. Alright, that's what I'm talking to every mama blood clot body the day a Joncrow.
But even if
German blood clot
if Brash when they chat people with ear back then, who gives a fuck after we name friends with Brash? Nobody and Brash are any friend. Everybody can chat who them want chat. Friday and them are no friend.
Kandy, when we talk this on the live, the whole of Unnu there.
Yeah, chat the chat lava page.
The whole of Unnu the day so. The whole of Unnu, so I don't know where the big dirty stinking Joncrow come with. What
it's
you think
like? I just a look
who gonna hold me and beat me tonight? Who gonna hold me and beat me? Tanya gonna beat me? Dana gonna beat me? Eh? Kandy gonna beat me? Diary gonna beat me? Who gonna beat me tonight?
Whoever texts
gonna beat me tonight?
The person who text behind the page.
Scared of what? Pussy hole. Kandy, other person you make them come talk. Joncrow, since me scared, you come right here so in my position, come talk. Kandy, add them.
They not gonna come. Fuck, all I have to phone a ring. No, who call me? When I show on the face, come, me send them a request. Lord God, them decline. Me know they name they come anyways. The person always a write long paragraph. SWAT team is going to beat out your stinking all. Me know that them I do yes, luscious. All on the brush.
You understand?
Me know I mix up them I try start over here. Them can't go and try all them want. This is not post live.
Joncrow, me not even gonna raise my breath no more upon you. So you're over there in the woman inbox, yeah? Because that's why the woman I call out my name so. Because I wonder how this woman I call my name so regular, you know, and she not cussing me, you know. All the whole of last year, so she did call my name, you know. So Joncrow, me ya try to set up your mama big dirty pussy where she skin out and give your dirty blood clot pooper. Where is a batty man fuck your blood clot mama and breed your blood clot mama and your mama shit you out her blood clot batty.
You know, I probably dirty big boss, you know. A big boss. I probably dirty big boss. Him love use 2020. Trust me. That fucker probably him. Yeah, come use my face again like you did, big boss. Like me hide my face. I probably you know, I should start fuck really cause shit pit. Go cuss me now. Some unso fucking blood clot mix up. And me send you a request. Let me try again. I know what just happened. Annie, send back a request. I can't find you. Kandy, stop because you're more clever than this girl. What you talk about? Are you a big boss? Go away. You're a big boss. A big boss, people. You love use people name and face. You do it to me before. And you love 2020 at the end and you fucking name them. Are you? Go away. Mix up bumblehole. Yeah, nobody know over there. The one of them run come over here to them airbrush over here cause them mix up. Them tired of us a play Ludi and they chat to herself. Murder! Murder the drunk them have to watch me. Murder. She just left the people them sit down in the comments. And them sitting here piss off post. Cause she said this girl just come start talk show off of me and have more people over there. Yes, boss. Kandy Lake Show have a buzz. Them want to break we up and make we war with each other, but it's not going to work. Talk to Tanya. Talk truth. Overput's boring. Them now go see where them want to see. Wanna go where? Wanna try again?
But one fucking week, me not upon the blood clot internet and a beer fuckery one with. Beer fuckery. Pussy one.
Hey girl, you not come over here, come call nobody red boat. Bye, bitch. Get the next page and come back.
Who do that? Who do that?
Go on to your next page, Sky. May I hide you right now? Big pussy girl. Bye.
From Evelyn for either girl they know. And them not to come over.
You guys are so cuss. Don't come talk about no red boot over here. So go along over puss with red boot. Her name is Tanya.
I tell you
Bombaras.
from even for either girl they know.
Don't tell me nothing, brush. Me hide when me want and who fi hide. When you come over here, Sky, cause you go come back with a fake page. You talk. You say Tanya. Even if you're a class star, you call her Tanya. Keep your red boot over Dutty post.
You
Not
come
over here,
expose me, don't wait for ear. Come cause you make whatever page and go in a blood clot inbox. So you come expose me. Nobody wait for she. Nobody wait for she. Big pussy girl. Big pussy body girl. No wait for she. No wait for she. You come expose me. So when you come over here so with the woman name. We not even remember the woman over here so. And you come over here with the woman name.
You're so scared you jump on the live to hide me.
So idea you still there, bitch. With the
Yeah,
idea
that me I
before I
wonder
come
how
on the
that works.
live. I want deal with your right here so. Cemetery blood
Why them a
clot
text that
all,
cry you for
girl.
brush?
Cemetery all. Me say, when me done with you, I go run back on our ancestors. I swear upon my blood clot life. I swear upon my life, when I go run back on our blood clot ancestors. And me say, if I the big dirty pussy girl when it over here so. And if I she build a fake page and I do them fuckery, I me say when me done drop out all blood clot recording. Hey, watch this.
It a mad them bad Tanya. She can't come cuss
Watch
you
this
if she want.
Joncrow.
Don't come your name Tanya.
Watch
You know
this
name Red Boot
Joncrow.
over here. Tanya is your name. Live Madonna, may I come right back.